Hi everyone, welcome back to Adventures in Nodeland. And I'm a little bit late today. I didn't start my live stream sooner, so I'm just going to jump it in and do all the setup while you're watching. So, and there's nobody there right now, so you will come online very quickly, I guess. So let's start doing some little bit of a setup and so on, so that we can work together today. So, how are you doing? What's up right now? It's been a bit. Last week I was traveling. I did a long trip in between um, Verona and Berlin. Jazz Day, not Congress, all the things. So it's quite fun. It was quite fun, at least. So I'm very happy about it, to be honest. So it was great, and currently recovering. I still need to finish off preparing my newsletter for the last 2 weeks because I've been super duper busy on everything. So hello, folks. You see, you've just joined. So I'm doing some little bit of a chat and setup. So while you are all coming in. So it was fantastic, to be honest. And look, I can't wait to tell everything about the conference. But Notecommerce was a blast. I think there's going to be like today or something like that, and some more live streaming and so on. It's great. So just do it. So here we go. So Twitch, and so I'm live on Twitch doing a massive refactoring to Platformatic. That's what we're going to do today. I hope you like refactorings, folks. Do you? Do you like refactorings? What do you think? What do you think? Are refactoring goods or bad? And that's what we're doing today anyway. But so just you're probably watching this right now. So and here we go, and share now. Okay, done. So we have published the tweet. I need another window though. Okay. Okay, I need another browser window so that we can keep going. Here we go. Cool. Any questions? Anything? I see in the end a few people joined, but no question. No hi, hello. Are you there? Would be very happy to know what's going on in your life. Did you go to any of the conference? Did I meet any of you? I don't know. So, okay, here we go. And I need the Chrome. No, not this one. Not this one, but new tab. Okay, great. Okay, hello. Hi, Mimixa. How are you doing today? Cool. Okay, and I need to turn on my face. And here is not here. Here we go. Okay, so this is here, this is here. Okay, perfect. So I think I'm all set to start. So let's get into it, okay? Because that's what we should be doing. We should be coding, right? So if hopefully you all will follow. So let's start with the automatic scene switcher, and yeah, cool, and start. Okay, so we are a go, and transition. Here we go. So hey, this is this code that we are going to do today. Is it small enough, big enough, good enough? Oh, we haven't put on the music. That's what I'm missing, the music. Hello, friends. Hello, Sylvia. Look. Oh, I'm so glad you are here. Doing some open heart surgery on Platformatic. So it's going to be fun. And soundtrack. Okay. We should be doing something on StackBlitz sooner rather than later. So here we go. We're doing good to do some rock. Is it the music good enough? Right volume? Seems so, right? Is it good? Hello. Yay. Yes. Hi, Matteo. A lot of friends are starting up. Cool. So yeah, you're prepared with some popcorn, loving it. Yeah, when you want, we can do something. I can do all the testing live and found all the bugs on Startwith. I know we'll find some. So okay, so let's do. So this is the change. The branch. It already has some change with the master. I started this on the plane. So git diff main. It's already some changes. So let me show you what we are going to do because it's pretty bad or neat or whatever. So in Platformatic, at some point, I made a phenomenal decision. So to have a config manager object, okay, this is the config manager, which no docs, I'm sorry. And this thing, it's actually very straightforward. It's just an internal module. And oh, sorry, not this one. It's just an internal module, and it's basically a config manager, and it's a class. This thing does a few bunch of stuff, but ultimately it watches the config file and restarts stuff when the file changes. It also provides this underscore transform config to transform the configuration when it's done and ready. It also does validation of the thing, and yeah, no, it's great. Okay, provides some utility to update the thing in place, so it's okay. Now, what is the problem? The problem is that this utility has led to have a specific config manager for each one of our stuff, which is causes a lot of problems for our cloud when we start things, because we need the code specific for each one of the components, like this guy here, which has a long transform config. Look at how long is this transfer config. And I just want to get rid of it, okay? I just want to make sure that given a config, we can load the config, validate it with a schema without no problem, okay? So everything is fine and set. Hopefully that makes sense, and I've not rambled for 10 minutes. Okay, so okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so Vim, we are running our Vim, rocking Vim. Do you rock Vim or Emacs or VS Studio Code? Oh, I need some water. Okay. And today's episode, as usual, is sponsored by Platformatic. We do bottles, not, look at the bottle. These are swag. So, no, I'm joking. Okay. Oh, this is Berlin water. It tastes different from local water. Okay, so let's go in push the packages service and let's do pm test. Good. Ouch. Didn't work out. Okay. And schema is defined but never used. So lib start. Where I was. Okay. Schema is defined but never used. Okay. So load config. And here I need to pass the schema to load config. I'm pretty sure. Because in load config, I am using the config manager. And where is it? Args config options. Yeah, config options. Yeah, seems about right. Okay, good. This is sorted. Okay. Then let's fix it. This is going to broke big time, by the way. Yeah. Okay. Test clients.js. What's the problem? Oh, yeah, this is actually easy. Okay. Seems easy. Oh, it's passing. Okay. Yeah. you see that some stuff didn't work. Okay. Cool. Okay. More people joining. Okay. Well, start is failing. Compile is failing. CLI validation is failing. Okay. Good. No test CLI validations. Okay. And it's failing. And print validation errors. So not sure what's going on. But this is not printing the validation errors. So, ouch. Who knows? Okay. Load config. Oh. Well, I should probably move these things up in there. I would think so. Yeah. These bits. I am going to doing that. Okay. Okay. This seems okay. This seems better. Okay. And I am sure I have this same file here in load config. I also possibly need those. Yeah. Restore that. Okay. This needs to be there. Okay. This needs to be there. Okay. Then load config. Okay. And here this is all wrong. And yeah, and whitelist. Yeah. This is all freaking wrong. Okay. It's better now. But these will still not pass. Why the heck? Oh, print config validation error. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if this prints something. Okay. Oh, okay. No, it didn't work. Oh, it didn't arrive here. Ooh. Ho ho. Okay. Interesting. Fancy. Really fancy. Very likely there is another problem here. Okay, app is not defined. Line 19. Okay. So, where is app? No, in start. Okay. Cool. 19. Oh, yeah. So, oh yeah, this is just that. Okay. Okay. Of undefined 244 and 244. Oh. Okay, let's print it. Okay, we have the config manager. And we have absolutely freaking nothing. Why the heck we have nothing here if we pass through start? Okay. Okay. So watch through. Okay. So if I go in lib in the config manager, I can print out the option. And in the meanwhile, there is my co-founder Luca Maraschi writing me stuff. Oh wait, it's been created twice. Ooh. Okay. Let's do only here. Only true. Ciao, Google Bandido. Ciao, how are you doing today? Tap only. One. Okay. Config manager. And it has a... Yay! You got our t-shirts. So did you check out Platformatic at all? So, okay. So here in start, thank you, Jess Barrett. I'm very happy. Did you notice that anywhere? Yay, well, try it for Google Bandido. Try the stuff. So, okay. So we have this. Build server options. Hello, hi, is Chu EI. Build server, and it's a config manager. Okay, so this is correct, and is passing through the load config here. But start, wait a second. So, no, this is load config, I want start. Okay, start is... Yeah, so this is a good question. Hi, Matteo, is Platformatico suitable if I need to develop a CQRS ES application? Absolutely, yes. Actually, I need to blog something about it because it's actually one of the best, probably best way to... you can have a very quickly have a CQRS application done in very little time. So the way you implement a CQRS application, let's talk about it in this way. So if you want to develop a CQRS application with with Platformatic, let me start from scratch. If you want to develop a CQRS application with Platformatic, what you do is you write your commands as custom GraphQL mutations, okay? And in there you use, and then in the business logic of those commands, you go and alter the schemas, the schema of, sorry, not the schema. You go and alter the data in your SQL schema, which is essentially just become a projection in CQRS term. In that way, and then you have the Platformatic the Platformatic DB just generate the resolvers for that data model. So in that way, you have split your business logic coming in with the projection on the other end, and it works super fantastically, I would say, because you have all the projection implemented in no time whatsoever, which I don't know, I kind of like when I can save a lot of time. So yeah, hopefully I answered the question, and you can let me know what you think. Okay, so now here, so start. Okay, build server. Okay, so here we are passing this through. So we do load config, and load config is creating that, and so I don't have anything on CQRS written, but this is something that I really should write upon and write a small, very quick tutorial on the topic, and maybe ask a friend to review it for me, some CQRS specialist. Okay, so console log schema, opt schema. Okay. So this is, this is the problem. Okay, now I know the problem. Good. Load config, no, start. And it's that. Okay, good, done. Done. Okay. Okay, this is passing. Okay. By the way, I need to do this work because Colin Hearing it's needs it. So there is too many logs. Okay. And I'm probably logging stuff that I should not be logging here. Here we go. Okay, let's do it again. Cool. It works. It does work. Okay. Amazing. Okay. Let's start it. Maybe it's done. Oh. It's printing some logs that it should not be printing, but yeah. Cool. So if I record stuff about TypeScript, you all can. There's a lot of people coming. If I don't, people don't show up. Very interesting feedback. Would you like me doing some TypeScript? Okay. This is very, very good. Okay. +1 for TypeScript. Interesting. Okay. Even if I know very little of TypeScript, does that change your mind? Do you like my videos on TypeScript? Did you watch them? We can do some TypeScript later if it is time. So git push. Okay, this is, well, done. I wouldn't call it done, but there is still a lot of stuff that I want to change here. So, okay, I need DB. Now, what I don't like is this duplication. So I'm going to create a file called, so this is load config. And yeah, and I'm going to create config opt.js. Copy this thing. But look, why do I need that? This is taking a load config method and then passing things through, but build start is taking a load config. So there's no need for this thing. Load config, let me see how DB uses load config. DB, and there is a load config that reuse, yeah, reuse the original load config. So yeah, makes total sense. So I can literally, yeah, here. It's taking the config manager. So this was taking the config manager at the beginning. So they changed this function, this signature of this function changed. So here it was what it was before. This is what it was before. Let me copy it. What's the very first module you wrote down when developing Platformatic? The first one when I started it's the SQL mapper. It's mostly one of the oldest and untouched of it. Yeah. Okay, so this was it. So the minimalist config, the args, the config options. So here, so okay, async function, create, generate default config. Okay, and then I can do here. Yeah. So this is schema. Okay. So in this way, we can do the full config and invocate this. Okay. So this makes sense, and I need to fill this in. And it needs to be in start, probably. Yeah, all of this. Oh, but we will need to control the watching. Ah, look, that's not too bad. So here, okay. Okay. Okay, so function default config. Okay. And then is ... generate default config. Okay, so in this way we have done, we have generated the config, and then I can pass in this thing. But look, I can just do that. Okay, I can just do that. There's no point in calling it right at that point in time. I can just do that. Okay, cool. So we have the default config, and here it's the default config. Okay. So inside index.js, I could do let's see. Lib is load config. Okay. Okay, so we have done that. We have the load config. Okay. Default config up. Okay. Then those two. Okay. Yeah, better. I've removed that duplication, and I am so much more happier. Yeah. Yeah. Schema is gone. Good. Yeah. Source missing. Oh, source options. Okay. Source. Okay. Load config is not a function. Compile. Ah, yeah. Easy. So compile is now compiling this. Oh, who is calling that? And it's service.mjs. Okay. Oh, compile. Okay, easy. Well, compile. Oh, yeah, load config. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Okay. Validations. Okay. Let's look at what's the problem. Oh, undefined HTTPS service 243. Okay. Okay. Full path. The config manager is correct. Yet. No, this is fine. Oh, sorry, what's failing? Validations? This bug, this issue is blowing my mind how how complex this is. Like, how many bugs could I put in there per square meter? It's impossible. So start is 51. Okay, let me remove that so you can see better. Okay. Okay. No, what line it was? 51. Okay. Build server. Yeah. Build server. Yeah. Set the location on the config. Okay. Okay. Build server. Okay. Options and config manager. Okay. Config. Okay. Console.error options. Current is empty though. Why current is empty? Load config. Oh, this is missing some stuff. Generate default config is missing some stuff. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Cannot read property of undefined. Index 243. Still nothing. Here. Yeah. Where do we get your last Friday position about Fastify? It will be released soon on the conference website, I think. So, and possibly I will deliver it later on YouTube in a few weeks or months when I time to re-record it. Right now, it's not available. So. Okay, if source. What about the slides? I don't. My presentation usually doesn't make much sense so only with the slides, so I don't think that would be useful. Okay. What the heck? Okay, this is not printing. How is this not printing? Oh, okay, this arrived. Okay, this is it's a file. Okay, so we're passing through with a file. Okay, so this file ouch, why is this is empty? This makes no sense. So this is test fixtures missing property. Well, it might be that's actually correct. Okay, now this is the here. Okay, this is here and empty. Okay. And when we reach this stat, watch through, and it's not getting a schema. Why it's not getting a schema? But only watch, okay, in here. I coded this stuff in too much of a hurry and I made a little bit of a mess. Okay, generate default config. Oh, okay. Okay. Console error. Watch through. Oh, it's a promise. What's a promise? Makes no sense. Should not be a promise. Yeah. Now I understand why it was failing. Yeah, cool. Okay. Where is it? Okay. That is 5. Okay. Okay. And we run the tests. Okay. Oh, test is failing. Yay. No test routes. Okay. What is failing? Oh, it was just not happy. Flaky CI, come on. Okay. Cool. Seems it's passing and running. Okay. Okay. Done some refactoring. Okay, cool. Okay, git push. Okay, this is done. Okay, this is Platformatic DB, and I need to change all the things here. Lot of changes. Okay. 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 Where is it? Load config. Here it's the problem. Config manager. Here is the guy. Here's the problematic guy. So we don't need this transform config. Okay. I want to migrate this completely here. Okay. Okay. Done. And well, so Platformatic config. This is adjust config. Okay. Okay. And this is, we want here the app, the config manager actually. Config manager. And here, just replace it all as this config manager. Okay. And here we do adjust config app Platformatic config manager. Okay, good. We have done. Okay, that is good. This is this can go. Okay. Now, load config though we need to change, and we'll need to match the new signature. And the new signature is here. This is old signature, so this is a new signature. And we need the minimis config, args, and so our config file and the default config. So here we need to say export. So this is, I'm doing to do export load config, and I'm calling this service and do service.loadConfig. Okay, and then we do export function generate default config, and we need to export stuff here because load config and load config and okay. Okay, so here we do ooh. Okay, great. Okay, actually it's not the default config, is generate, let's call it generate config manager config. So here is okay. Okay, generate default manager config. Okay, and here, okay, AB, and config file names. Okay, and here we need to put some stuff though, because we just removed the file, and I'm pretty sure I needed the schema and this stuff. Okay. Okay. Okay, schema. Okay, and we need the schema. Okay. Okay. Cool. So this is changing this way. Okay. And build server. Ah, but I need this thing at the top. So look, why do I need this? Oh, wait a second. I don't need any of that. App. I don't need any of that because this is exact same, so I don't need it. Whoa, I don't need it at all. Okay, I don't need it at all. I just need a small change here in load schema. Okay. Load config. Okay. Okay, so that is undefined. Wow, I love it. So with that undefined, because it's just the same, so I don't need to do anything. I just need to do one tiny change here though, actually. Oh. I need this database URL as part of this. Look at here. We have this allow to watch and env whitelist. And in here, I just need to define Platformatic DB dot env whitelist database URL. Okay. Okay. And now I don't need even that. Whoa. This looks insane. Where does load config come from? Okay, I don't need the config manager here. Okay. 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 We are here. We are loading the config in this way. Migrator. And then we need the start, which is build start, build server. Oh, look, I don't need to export it. So much better. So much better. Ah, wait a second. Here, I need it though. No, I need this thing here. Was too good to be true, because yeah, I need it. Okay. Yeah, I need it. Okay. I need it. I need it. I can remove the stuff, but I need it for now. Yeah. Well, this is the next step. Removing this load config, it's a next step in my journey. Oh, gosh. This is a massive refactoring. You will love when you see the end. So oh, okay. Oh. Okay, so we are here and already been declared 10 load config. Okay, is a function 32. What? Not a function. Oh, default config, not load config. Yeah, it's right. Okay. Okay, here we go. So this passed. DB node test, oh, npm test. Let's see. Let's make it run. Okay. So DB 26. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is service. DB 26. Oh. Oh. It is a sync. Apparently, it is a sync. So I'll wait. Fun. Ops is not defined. Ops. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Resolve and okay. Const resolve. Okay. Okay. Cool. And here we are. Ooh. Okay. Lot of things that are showing errors now. So I think it's going to be in the helper, I guess. No? Okay. Where is it? Test GraphQL. Okay. Build config. Yeah. So it's there anyway. No? Oh, DB index. Okay. Config manager. Okay. At Platformatic config. Okay. Ouch. Ouch. Okay. Didn't work. And why it didn't work? And okay. Where is the schema? Ah, here we go. Okay. If app schema press. Okay. Rating config manager. Okay. Why? Weird. Oh, yeah, this is correct. Because Docker PS, it's not running. So Docker compose. Oh, yeah, popd. Okay, let's run Docker. Okay. So now this is running. Good. Okay, libconfig test config test. Test. What was the error? 11. Okay. This file can just be done. Very happy to just drop this file. No need. Cool. Just remove the test file. Okay. Ouch. Receive type UTF-8. Cool. Oh, okay. Lot of failures. Okay. Which one? The first one is that failed is test GraphQL. Okay, adjust config. $28. Oh. Okay. Easy. Can file field names of type query. Okay. Schema. ConfigMangers current. Then we do to load. So this makes sense. Okay. Okay. And in GraphQL, okay. Okay, so DB plugins schema extend type query. This is being read correctly. Okay. Okay. To load. Okay. This is being read. So DB goes into DB and GraphQL. So here, DB GraphQL schema. So db, so this is going in here. Okay. Define resolver. Test fixture name resolver. So it's not being loaded. That's true. This comes through as undefined. Okay. Why? Why? Because here is not passing it in. Okay. Ops db. Oh, yes. Okay. It's true. App, Platformatic, config manager, actually. Ops config manager, db. Okay. Current db. Const config manager. No, ops config manager. Okay. Then, okay. Const ops. Okay. Feel way better now. Ah, wait a second. No, let's not do that. Okay. Let's keep it like that. I hope multiple failures will happen if that's the case. Yeah, exactly. This passed. We got this going. Okay. Okay, and this is done. Okay, let's see if it passes. Long tests. It's running. It's running. It's running. Of 27, 3 of 27. So the next step of this refactoring is totally rip out load config. Like now that I have everything working, I think I should be able to rip out this file. And technically, this will mean to require shift some stuff around, I think. But I think we can get it done. Ooh, okay, now things are failing here. Okay, load config, start. Okay. All the CLI stuff is failing. Okay. Okay, node test CLI start. Okay, compile. Need to fix compile too. Okay. And gen types. Ooh. And seed. By the way, if possible, folks, do not use default exports in, okay, in ESM modules because you will regret your life choices very quickly. Okay. Gen migration. There's a lot of congen in this module. Okay. Let's run it again and see. C'è Zio Operaio, which started following me. Hello. Cool. There's a lot of notification, by the way. People are loving the fact that I'm talking about what I'm building with Platformatic. So, if you got any questions for me, folks? So this is passing. Okay, 11 out of 27. Can't do much more than this, to be honest. Okay. Did the test pass? One test failed. Env. Okay. Node test CLI. Node test CLI env. Here we go. It's stopped, it's running, and it's slow. So there is a problem in here. Clear CLI env. So something's not working. Child stdr pipe process stdr, and magically we'll see what the problem is. Okay, hostname is an invalid placeholder, so we need hostname here. Cool. This is, yeah, hostname. And in service, do we have it in service? In service, in load config. Here it's very stupid and empty. In here, where is it? Oh yeah. And we got env whitelist. Look, I'm actually going to do Platformatic service env whitelist port host name. Okay. Here. Now. Here is dashboard build Platformatic service. And I am doing here something like that. Service dot Platformatic service dot and whitelist dot dot dot. Okay. So here we go. Okay. Amazing. This passed. Cool. Super duper cool. Okay. Super interesting. Super interesting. And whitelist. Perfect. And in here in DB, we have it. And whitelist. So I could theoretically just do, well, technically, okay. And here, import Platformatic DB from index. Okay, good. Less stuff to care. Do we need this? Okay. I think I can refactor this. Oh, it's not iterable. Where is it? Yeah, no. Okay. Okay. Is not defined. Where? Load config. Yeah, true. Super duper. Okay. Amazing. Okay. Oh, I'm very, very close to get rid of this horrible load config stuff. So my goal is to just have one single Platformatic start command so that I can get rid of all of this and automatically start things up. However, I need to decouple the mess that I got myself into a long time ago when I introduced a Platformatic service and I didn't clean it up. So, and by the way, if you wonder what is this, okay, I hurt myself, just scratched it, and I'm whatever, me stupid. Did a bad scratch, so I'm just protecting it. So let's see. Cool. It's running. It's running. It's running a lot. This test takes forever, so if you have any ideas how to make them faster without making them flaky, I would be very, very, very happy to hear your strategy. Ouch. SQLite tree. Okay. Good. So test CLI SQLite tree test. Ooh. So, okay. Here. Those are failing. Oh, so migrate SQLite tree. Okay. Okay, so we have two tests. Test migrate CLI tree and test CLI tree. That's failing. Okay, good. Everything else is passing. Good. So basically, the problem got to be, I presume, that, okay. So we are doing these changes here on the SQLite tree. Okay. Then let's open up my test. My test, where is it? And it, okay. Ooh, I already had my line here. Okay. Ooh. Node test CLI SQLite tree. Okay. Okay. What is failing is node CVD. Okay. Cool. So what is the line that's failing? Line 91. Okay. 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 Not good. Okay. Here we go. Oh, we need a test. We need that only. And I need to print some stuff. Okay. Nothing. Oh, I know. Dang. Yeah, I know the problem. Fix it. Adjust config. I need to move this method. Here we go. Inside load config. Okay. 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 The reason is I need to use this same thing. Yeah. Okay. Okay, just a second. What did I mess? Oh, RavenDB. Oh, await. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Res config manager. Res. Okay. Ooh. Ciao. Ciao, Jopan 1 on 1 and 1. Okay. Migrate. Yeah. This loads the config. So if I load the config and I apply. Yay, sure thing. Why? Why do you want to? So there is a Jopan 101 that wants to offer me a coffee. I'm actually going to get for that. I love coffee. When are we getting a coffee? Okay. So this is, yeah. So this seems correct. Okay. But it's not loading it correctly. Oh, really? Are you from Forlì? Oh, sure. Let's do it. Ping me on Twitter. Send me a private DM on Twitter. We can set something up. Okay. Oh, wait. It might be that the problem is not that. Here, it is the problem. So, const migrations, ops config manager, current migrations. Okay. Migrations, auto apply, migrations, execute. Does this adjust config? Do, yay! Yeah. Ops types. So I'm going to do that. Ooh. Yeah, nice, nice. Made a mess. Broke more things than anything. Okay. Okay. Broke all the things. I broke all the damn things. How it's even possible? Okay. Okay. This is good. Ouch. If I comment this out, oh, so import. No, I'm not doing this here. No, I am migrating this into its own file. Adjust config. I need it in common.js, so and load config. Module dot exports. Okay. Yay. Okay. Gen schema. No, it's in load config. I need these two things at the top. Okay, and move them here. Const dissolve require path require first parameters. Okay. Oh, and I need const here. Okay, great. Load config. Adjust config from, okay. What's the problem here? Okay. Const okay. Let's see if the other test gives me more joy, because I am a little bit puzzled by this current situation. Oh, this one is probably simpler to fix. Okay. SQL try. Okay. Okay. Haha, yeah, of course. But do we need this file? I don't think we need this file, to be honest. I'm just deleting it. Okay. Doing these massive refactorings are killing me, by the way. So three of 26. How come it's so slow? Like, come on. Now, I know why, because it's running all the tests one by one, and it's creating a lot of things on Postgres, but, oh, come on. I should just rewrite half of those tests and use SQLite instead, and run them in freaking parallel. Anytime. Oh, it doesn't like your name, Diro? Why it doesn't? Come on. Ah, yeah. That's why I went for name, surname. And I would have added numbers. Cool. The CLI is still not working. So node test CLI SQLite tree. Okay. And that is still failing. This is going to be something very trivial, I'm pretty sure. Okay. What is this file? Okay. Okay. So, CLI. No, SQLite 3. Okay. Hey, Irox, how are you doing? I'm so happy that you showed up. Thank you very much for saying hello. Hi, I'm currently fighting a bad unit test and I don't know what's going on. So thank you for joining and joining up. And we reached my objective of reaching the followers. Hello. Hi, folks. Yay. Hello. Hey, folks. Yeah. We are going to fix this. Come on. Come on. Hello. Hi. Unit tests are bad. Ha ha. No, unit tests are great. Unit tests are freaking great. Okay. Lotion and message guns. Okay, this is, depends. Cool. This is a test that is failing, and I don't have a clue why. And we could take a look at the source code, but you can watch some Vim action. Do you like Vim? All the new folks from Rocks. And here we go. Yeah, Neo Vim. Yay. Yeah, sorry. No. Thank you, all the people that joined and started following me. Okay. Can only bow to Rocks that helped out. Rocks code, yay! Amazing. Yay, cool. So, what are we doing here? We were having some problem with this dumb test, and the problem here is I'm doing a massive refactoring on this code base, and it's literally super long, and I don't have a clue what I'm doing anymore. So essentially, I am touching. So apparently, we have this is a good thing that you asked. Okay, so apparently, I have this block of code that is running in a just config here. That does not arrive in migrator. Where is it? Okay, in migrate here. and load config here. So if I do console.error res config manager current, and I now should be able to see the changes. Cool, and you can see that the migrations folder, it's correct, and we do have the correct migrations folder here. But if I am if I go in, hello, Irox. You know that when I started doing Twitch, I watched your tutorial on YouTube on how to get started. So basically, I googled how to start, and you popped up. So it's thank you very much. I just learned a bunch of stuff. Yeah, it's amazing. So how are we doing here? It's not this. So this migrator. We go load config here. Okay, we have the load config. Okay. I don't think this is needed. And that was it. That was it. Amazing. Okay, I'm so happy. Okay, I fixed it with one line of code change. Great. Classic. Yeah, it's totally classic. And I need to clean some stuff up though. Load config. Let's see if it's still printing some shit. Okay. Hey. Oh, thank you very much, Axor. I am so happy that all of you joined. To be honest, once this passes, I am going to call it a day. I really wanted to finish this off, and I love that you all came through. Are you asking me, Jopa 101, or somebody else? So, okay. Where were we? SQLite 3. Okay, need to remove this. Okay, TBD. Oh, but are you inviting me, Rox? Come on. I don't know. Yay, thank you. Bye-bye, Rox. I need to go soon, by the way, so I'm pretty much in the same spot as you. Okay. Okay, here you go. Yeah, no worries. I am very happy to help. Oh, and never use. 87. Cool. Yay, you could. Then I will make a shame of myself in the stuff. Typically, I don't go in competitions. Don't go in competitions. Okay, tests are passing. I think we are done almost. So I think it's mostly done. Here you go. So, all of you that just joined, have you got any questions? Just new people showing up. You're lurking. Good. Anyway, test seems to be passing. 11 out of 26. What is your quest? My quest is to build a successful startup. This is part of my project. It's called Platformatic, and that's what we are building. It is. What do you use it for? You use it to build APIs very easily. And right now I'm actually doing some massive refactoring so that I could just remove a good bunch of code, more or less, and enable some new behavior that will be the basis for some other new features that will happen. So, and look, things are progressing. So I'm moving things forward, step by step. What is your favorite color? Okay, I don't know. I don't have a favorite color. Yeah, I had received quite a few contributions. Like we have had so far 43 contributors, and I'm probably the one that coded the most, followed by Marco, Leo. But Rosilla is a friend. He joins the stream quite often, and it did some contributions. Ivan is another colleague of mine, and then we had a bunch of other. Colin is a colleague. But all these other bits are all people that just helped out when I was in need. So, yeah. Oh, you used to work with Colin. Wow, amazing. Oh, I love working with Colin. I should. I would want to ask what company, but I don't know you want to. Back in like 2022, I can say hi to him. I can invite him next time if you're joining. Okay, I can do a session with Colin. Yeah, it's amazing. Oh, all tests passed. Okay, don't break this. Oh, what is DB? Okay. Yeah. Yay. Oh yeah, super small. Like. Okay, no. Refactor, Platformatic DB. To go config to not have config manager. Okay. Okay. This seems to be. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. This was cheating. Push D packages. SQL, GraphQL, standard, git add. Okay, let's try it again. Linting all the things. Lint all the things. Okay. Now, let's see how big this PR is. By the way, we just removed lines. So I am pretty happy when I do code and I just remove lines. Okay, so, okay. This is remove custom config managers. Okay, let's see how big this thing is. So it's 21 file changes and 540 deletions. Look at it. We just removed so much code. So much code. I'm so happy. And I think I can remove more, by the way. This PR is not finished. It's totally not finished. And good chunk of it is tests because I don't have any behavior that needs to be tested anyway. So it's great. Okay. And the need for custom config managers classes. More work would be needed to simplify the load config.js files to avoid. Okay, this seems good. Let's open a PR. I guess Colin will be happy. Also Ivan, by the way. I think Ivan can provide me some good help on this one. So, and now this is going to run and take 15 minutes. And I think I will go for dinner now. So thank you all for joining. And I hope you will join my stream again. So, and thank very much, Rox, for for showing up. So this was a blast. And yes, okay, amazing. Thank you, folks. And yay, we'll go for dinner. It's about time for me to go for dinner. So have a nice evening, folks. You, everybody. So, yay, yeah, amazing. I will. It's like 7:40 and 7:34 in the evening here. So go feed my daughter and bye bye, and thank you all for joining, and thanks Rox for the raid I got. This was amazing. Thank you. Bye bye.